Welcome to RK English. So, the other day we were discussing about the art of comprehension, where I told you that there are three phases that we should cultivate. Number one is the understanding part. Number two is the organizational part in your mind. And number three, the art of presentation. So I just would like to brief the things that we have discussed earlier. As such, my children, paragraphs are many. There are narrative, there are also descriptive, there are also analytical, there are scientific, and there are expository writings. Understand? So far, narrative and descriptive sides are concerned, we could be capable of doing them after a little bit practice. But when there comes analytical paragraphs or say expository writing, whereby it is difficult to collect the contents and to amalgamate them, to make out a gist of the paragraph, you will find difficult. But we will ultimately reach to that level, and we will have to. So today we will do another paragraph. You see, I'm just taking a brief of that. So we have learned that paragraph concept, that is a content, cohesion and sequence, is the basic requirement of doing a paragraph so that they can be meaningful. Number two is that whenever you read a paragraph, I have told you that you must go through the questions first to save the time. And then you start simultaneous reading with understanding, phrase-wise reading. And then you relate to the questions, what you have read. You just try to recall after closing the paragraph paper, you just try to recall what you have read and how you can relate to the questions thereby. Next, that you focus on each question. Whenever you must have to individually deal with the questions. You have set 5 questions in your mind, but when you do the comprehension part, you will do one after another. Understand? So whenever you put a question in mind, you try to see the area of answer in the paragraph. And as practicable as you can, write in your own language. And you are given 30 words to write. You set your mind that there should be a main theme, there is a supporting detail to assist the main theme, so that your answer can be perfect. Your answer must have completeness and should be question oriented. प्रश्नाभिमुखी उत्तर हेबा दरकार, 30 शब्द मध्य रहा दरकार है ना. तो this much I was telling the other day. Today we shall start another paragraph, because continuously we should do at least 3 to 4 paragraphs to mean out the technical part of doing answers in the form of a small paragraph. Understand? So you see, I should read it first, the question part. First you go through the at least one line from the paragraph. Then you come to the question part to understand. So the responsibility for building a peaceful and enlightened society rests chiefly with the educator, and it is obvious without becoming emotionally stirred up about it that he has a very great opportunity to help in achieving that social transformation. I tell you that simultaneous understanding while you read. Don't forget it. If you lapse when you read, you cannot think. You start developing thinking and reading at the same time. So now come to the questions. What responsibility does an educator have? Number 1. Meaning thereby the educator's responsibility. All the words in the question are not important. Only 2-3 words you will have to pick out from the question so that you can remember them in mind. Number 2, who are the right persons to impart the right kind of education? Number 3, how do parents neglect the education of their children? Why do the majority of people fail in their responsibility? Number 4. Number 5, what is the teacher's attitude towards teaching? These are the 5 questions that is hidden in the paragraph. You will have to find them out. The second objective is that through the questions you can understand the paragraph with a complete sense. Right? So you see, we should now go on reading them. We must have the 5 questions in our mind. Number 1 is that the responsibility of an educator. Number 2, now who is the right person to impart? Impart माने शिक्षा जोगे देवा. The right kind of education. उपयुक्त शिक्षा देबारे किए right person, के यथार्थ व्यक्ति. Number 3, how do parents neglect the education of their children? पितामाता माने बा पेरेंट्स पिलांकर शिक्षा दीक्षा रे अवहेला केमती प्रदर्शन करती, which is a quite common phenomenon nowadays. Right? Why do the majority of people fail in their responsibility? अधिकांश व्यक्ति विशेष कहीं ए दायित्व बहन करि पारंते नहीं हला. What is the teacher's attitudes towards teaching? शिक्षा क्षेत्र रे शिक्षकंकर व्यक्तिगत भूमिका कौन अछि? देख पिले आमे जो जिनस इंग्लिश रे पढुचे ओडिया रे मतलब किछि अलग होछि. म कहिछि ना से स्ट्रक्चरल एंड सेमांटिक मीनिंग रहछि हला. तो देखो बर्तन पढ़िया. The responsibility for building a peaceful and enlightened society tests chiefly with the educator, and it's obvious without becoming emotionally stirred up about it that he has a very great opportunity to help in achieving that social transformation. The right kind of education doesn't depend on the regulations of any government or the methods of any particular system. It lies in our own hands, in the hands of the parents and the teachers. If parents really cared for their children, they would build a new society. But fundamentally, most parents do not care, and so they have no time for the most urgent problem. They have time for making money for hedonistic pursuits, for rituals and worship, but no time to consider what is the right kind of education for their children. This is a fact that the majority of people do not want to face. To face it might mean that they would have to give up their amusements and distractions. And certainly they are not willing to do that. So they send their children off to schools where the teacher cares no more for them than they do. Why should he care? Teaching is merely a job to him, a way of earning money. If you close down, could you guess something about the paragraph? Initially, you may grasp only 5 to 10%, but as I have told you that when you focus more and more of understanding a paragraph, you will develop to receive the contents from the paragraph. I'll narrate you. First of all, the paragraph says that the main responsibility is to build up a peaceful society and enlightened society without being emotionally stirred. And the responsibility is fixed not with any government system, not with any social system, but it is left to the parents and teachers. What is the fact behind it? Why does not this happen? Next paragraph describes. If parents cared their children, unlikely condition, if clause. Grammar is most important. Meaning thereby, they don't care. Why? Because they go after amassing money and material pursuits. वस्तुवादी दुनिया को सेमाने आपणे छंती हैला हेडनोस्टिक पर्पस परसुएट्स माने जोटा ताको आनंद दबो वस्तु तेणु आजिकली पेरेंट्स दे आर डॉगिंग आफ्टर मटेरियल परसुएट्स हैला दे आर डॉगिंग आफ्टर मनी बाय डूइंग दैट दे आर ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लेक्टिंग देयर चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन राइट and the teachers that because they acha suppose they would care, they will have to sacrifice the amusements that they do now. Worshipping rituals, there are many social rituals that they normally do. Only they cannot do that they are not able to impart right kind of education to their children, because they are busy in some sort of unnecessary elements. That is why they send their children off to schools. Tuition को छाड़ी दियंती. Right? School career पर पिला tuition दाए. एवं what is the role of a teacher? The objective in our system, in our society, the objective of a teacher is to build the nation through the students. Teaching profession is a nation building activity. But practically what the teachers do? They merely take it a job. Teacher's job is a profession. ये वृत्ति. वृत्ति रे केबे पैसा देखा जाए नहीं. वृत्तिगत विद्या जहाँ पाखे अच्छी कुंभार को तुम पचार ये हांडीटे के से कह 9 टଙ୍କା 10 टଙ୍କା 15 टଙ୍କା कह किंतु तुम से 3 जन्म चेष्टा कल हांडीटे बनई पारनी आर्ट कर ना तो इट इज देयर प्रोफेशन यू कैनॉट जस्ट पे प्राइस फॉर देम टीचर्स आर अलाइक ए टीचर्स जॉब इज ए प्रोफेशन he should not opt for money for that because he is doing a nation building activity. If a good nation is built up, it is within the infrastructure of teachers and parents. Family is the first school, as such you know, right? And mother is your first teacher. But here what happens? In the present scenario, the parents are busy in earning money, whereas the teacher makes his job as a source of earning money, right? So this is the simple understanding of the paragraph, right? Ta bhitere pire kichi kosto word achi. Sometimes our students may be confused or may find difficult when they enter into a paragraph. What is the difficult? The first difficulty is that these are text languages. Number 2, they are not familiar with the words. Sometimes they hear or they read the words for the first time. What doesn't matter, you should not worry about that. You leave that word and you just guess a meaning of a near meaning of that word, so that even though the word may not be a correct meaning, may not have a correct meaning, but you can pick out a near meaning to that. जेतले पढ़ियो पिले सही शब्द न जानले से पाखापाखि शब्द को नहीं तुम अर्थ नहीं पारिबो. बट वी शुड नॉट डिस्करेज नहीं बहुत कष्ट शब्द थिला मु जानि पालेनी बुझी पालेनी. दिस इज ए बोगस अप्रोच ऑफ एनी स्टूडेंट, राइट? तो तुम हमर डरिवार नाही. नो वन इज परफेक्ट इन दिस फील्ड, राइट? एंड वी विल लर्न. द वर्ड्स बिकम्स फैमिलियर व्हेन दे आर repeatedly coming into our mind, and when we use them in practice they become familiar. परिचय आउ परिचय नथिया शब्द भितर डिफरेंस कौन? जो शब्द को आम बारंबार व्यवहार करि थाउ सी हमर परिचय, राइट? जो शब्दर व्यवहार आम कम करि थाउ बा करि न थाउ सेटा अनफेमिलियर वर्ड्स. We are not very much acquainted with the words. Sometimes we hear of the words but do not know the meaning of them. Doesn't matter. We are not bound to know all the words in English at this level at least, right? So you should not worry about that. Sometimes these unfamiliar words also come. You see the unfamiliar words, hedonistic pursuits, right? Money. It is a belief. Hedonistic pursuit माने पहले खोज, in search of, right? Hedonistic pursuits माने होती that you have a belief that money is most important in life. That is hedonistic pursuits. तो एमती किसी शब्दर हम मीनिंग बाहर कर. तो बर्तमान तुम बुझे देली तुम पहले तो यहाँ देखो कैसे समय लगे तुम पढ़ लो 5 मिनट तुम गोटे देखो ग्रास आइडिया गोटे बाहर कर, रफ आइडिया गोटे बाहर कर. बर्तमान तुम 1 by 1 जीवा. आम 5टा क्वेश्चन माइंड रे रखीचे रिलेट हो गला. हम बर्तमान 1 by 1 जीवा. अमालगामेट करवानी गोटे क्वेश्चन को मन रखला आर क्वेश्चन दैट शुड नॉट कम टू योर माइंड. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होचे व्हाट रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डज एन एजुकेटर हैव, राइट? तो लेट अस गो इनटू दैट एरिया वेयर इट्स आंसर इज इनडायरेक्टली रिटन, राइट? तो व्हाट रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डज एन एजुकेटर हैव? The responsibility for building a peaceful and enlightened society rests chiefly with the educator. And it is obvious without becoming emotionally stirred up about it that he has a very great opportunity to help in achieving that social transformation, right? एतिकी जिनस को नहीं तमें देखो प्राय 50 to 60 words perhaps it will be, but you will have to write in 30 words, right? 30 words लिखले हमें देखिया मुकुटे देखो आ 3-4टा पर I am just giving you samples, but ultimately I will make you teach how to write a paragraph. I have not come down to that level. It is only a learning stage. We will just go step by step higher, right? You just see the samples how it is written before it is written beforehand, right? Lively you are seeing how the sentences are made, but ultimately you will have to learn that, right? So देखो what responsibility does an educator have? Go from the questions itself. Hala? The responsibility of an educator should have to build a peaceful and enlightening society in achieving social transformation, right? The responsibility of an educator, it is not categorically mentioned, right? Parents, teachers, we don't name it out because this is the first question, and it is universally written educators. Then who are the educators? Right kind of education who produces? They are the parents and teachers, right? In the first question it will not come. So responsibility of an educator should have to build a peaceful and enlightened society in achieving social transformation. Hala? What responsibility, right? Who are the right persons? Who are the right persons? Parents and teachers, obviously, right? Number two, parents, and sometimes the questions will become very easy, sometimes they are tough or tricky. You will have to judge it. I have told you that out of 5 questions there should be 2 tricky questions. They may not be present in the paragraph. You will have to think, opt it out, and then write. Right? Parents and teachers are the right persons, the right persons to impart the right kind of education. Hela pile? Understand? Now you come. Next, how do parents neglect the children of their children? How do parents neglect the education of their children? Right? Where should the answer lie? You see, if parents really cared for children, they would build a new society. But fundamentally, most parents do not care. It is their carelessness, right? And so they have no time for the most urgent problem. What is the most urgent problem? To create a peaceful and enlightened society. Conscious citizens. Who could be the conscious? The young generation. Kahatir achandi young generation? Parents and teachers kahatir achandi. Right? If the society goes down, who will be responsible? The parents and teachers. No one else. And the parents and teachers are not able to see the gravity of the situation at present. So what sort of society we are going to build? Definitely there will be a very worse society that is ahead of us. That is why some thinkers or this man has written it. You see, how do parents neglect? They have time for making money, for hedonistic pursuits, for rituals and worship, but no time to consider what is right kind of education for their children. Right? Majority of people, they do not want to face. So, how do parents neglect the children of their? How means you have to show the reason. Right? तो कौन करछन्ती पिला मानकु शिक्षा देवा आଳରେ शिक्षा देवा स्थान रे कौन करछन्ती राइट कौन करछन्ती देखो एट लिखा ना देखो इट इज फंडामेंटली मोस्ट पेरेंट्स डू नॉट केयर एंड सो दे हैव नो टाइम फॉर दिस अर्जेंट प्रॉब्लम दरकार नै तापर देखो दे हैव टाइम फॉर मेकिंग मनी जो समय रे से माने शिक्षा जोगे देवा कथा छुआ को से समय रे टंका जोगाड़ करियार लागि पड़छन्ती हला right? They think hedonistic pursuit. The hedonistic pursuit means pertaining to the belief that pleasure or money is the ultimate happiness in life. The total concept of our society has been changed, and that is the drawback. The motto of the parents, the drawback of our children are not getting appropriate education. Understand? तो देखो कौन लिखुछ हम how do parents neglect the education of their children? Number 3, I should wipe it out. Parents neglect the education of their children because they dog after making money wasting their precious time in rituals and amassing wealth. I believe parents neglect the education of their children because they dog after making money, wasting their precious time in rituals and amassing wealth. Right? Next, why do the majority of people fail in their responsibility? Right? Answer कौन हो पहले भितर चलो. What is the responsibility? The responsibility is that they should impart proper education to their children. Question कौन पहले? Why? कारण कौन? Why do the majority of people fail? Why majority of people fail? Normally, you see, it is nearly same as the earlier one. How do parents neglect their children? You should not have any confusion in that. Right? Why do the majority of people fail in their responsibility? See, daituru kaiki uri jautundi. It might mean there that they have to sacrifice the amusements in life, the pleasure in life. ये होची ये कारणरू स्वार्थ निज स्वार्थ कारणरू से माने पिला मानकर एजुकेशन ऊपर प्राधान्यता दौना हला. तो ये जो जिनस लिखा है कौन टू फेस इट माइट मीन दैट दे वुड हैव टू गिव अप देयर अम्यूजमेंट एंड डिस्ट्रैक्शंस एंड सर्टेनली दे आर नॉट विलिंग टू डू दैट. राइट? सो दे सेंड देयर चिल्ड्रन आफ्टर स्कूल अदर वर्ड्स हला. तो देखो the majority of people, majority of people fail their responsibility to become worthy parents. बुझिपारछो ना? Worthy parents माने you must have completeness for your answer. Worthy parents. Majority of people fail their responsibility. कौन लिखी मु? Majority of people fail their responsibility to become worthy parents. Because it might they will have to give up their amusements of life, and so they send their children off to schools. You should start writing, right? English ଯେକୌଣସି ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ପିଲେ ଲେଖିବାଟା କିଛି କଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ, provided that you must have the wave, you must have the attitude to go through it, right? If you start practicing now onwards, you can after some months you will find a very good nib of yourself, right? So you see amusement of life, and so they send their children off to the schools. Okay, 5 and last, what is the teacher's attitude towards teaching? You see, what is the area of answer? Where the teacher cares no more for them than they do. Why should he care? Teaching is not merely a job to him, a way of earning money. Question hochi, what is the teacher's attitude towards it? The teacher's activity in particular should a nation building activity. But in practice, the present teachers consider their professions. The present teachers consider their professions a mere job and a source of earning money. You see, this is the kind of answers we must make so that we can be different. Understand? We can be different from other people. You see, we have read it out, we have understood it, but the language totally is our own, and the ideology we do not violate the authors to the authors, right? There are creativity. We have known that the board's objective is to make creation in our mind. To be creative, the students should be creative, and that we practically do here. Okay.